Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to crop image here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Cropping an image here in Adobe Express is a simple process that can enhance your design in a lot of ways. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, there's going to be a template section on the left side panel wherein you can browse templates for photos, videos, text, and more. Or just hover here down below. If you want to start from scratch, you might want to click this option right here so you can upload and edit your own images, videos, PDFs, and more. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this image right here. I'm going to add one with the same size. I'm hovering to the left side of the section where there's going to be the media. I'm going to the photos. Now, for example, I'm going to choose anything here. For example, I like this style right here. And coming back from here, maybe this one right here. Gonna add multiple images. Say about this what's this one? Now, for you to be able to crop an image, you see on the left side right here, you have an option here to crop. All right, for example, use this marker right here to extend to the image that you wanted to crop it. All right, you see it says crop, right? So you have that in place, you can blend it perfectly together right here to create an amazing design. For example, I don't like the other stuff, but I'm just going to crop perfectly so I have an interesting kind of series of photo collage here. Now I'm going to add more images as we go along. For example, this one, going to crop it. We don't want the unnecessary stuff. Once it's set in motion, all I'm gonna do now is make sure that all the elements are blended together and they are cropped properly. Once you've done that, once you're happy with it, just click on the download section, click on the MP4, PNG, or JPEG, and if you want to share this amazing cropped designs, just click on the share button here, send the link to your boss or your client. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.